Hi, I'm Savir Damijani, and I'm part of Equinix's Interconnection Product Management team. Today, I'm going to introduce you to some new capabilities for managing user and resource privileges that we introduced with the February 2020 release of ECX Fabric. In this video, I'm going to show you how to provide view-only permissions to a user for managing all ECXF virtual resources. In order to view all ECXF virtual resources in the ECX Fabric portal, the user needs to be provided with view access to all of the virtual resources. These include Layer 2 service profiles, Layer 3 service profiles, Layer 2 connections, Layer 3 routing instances, Layer 3 connectors, and Layer 3 subscriptions. I'm going to log into the Equinix customer portal to show you how to provide these privileges to a user. I'm now logged into the Equinix customer portal, and this user, Alex Morgan, is an existing user who currently has access to both viewing ports, connection, and services, as well as to placing connection and service orders. That means this user currently has complete access to managing all available ECXF virtual resources on your organization's ports. However, when you scroll down to the ECXF virtual resource section, you can see that none of the boxes are checked. So why does the user have complete access in this state? Because the user has the place connection and services orders permission enabled, which applies to the port level, and no privilege restrictions on any of the virtual resources, they automatically have access to all virtual resources on the ports that they have been given access to. Now, if I want to change this user's permissions from full access on all ECXF virtual resources to limit their privileges to view-only access for all ECXF virtual resources, all I need to do is scroll down to the ECXF virtual resource permissions section and select View Permissions for all of the virtual resources you see here, and then click on Submit. As you can see, the changes have been saved successfully. This user has now been provided with permissions to only be able to view all virtual resources, and these new privileges will be enforced the next time they log into the ECX Fabric portal. Because no other boxes have been checked, this user will not have access to create, modify, or delete any of the virtual resources on any of the ports the next time they log into the ECXF portal.